In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Google form at a specific time. This is a handy feature to use when you want to ensure that your form stops accepting responses exactly when you want it to, without having to manually intervene at that moment. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Forms. Head over to the Google Forms website and open the form that you want to set a closing time for. Once you have your form open, the next step is to make sure it's published. This is crucial because only published forms can be closed at a specific time. To do this, you'll click on the Publish button. This essentially makes your form live and ready to accept responses. After publishing your form, you want to move on to the settings. Look for the option that says Publish Settings and click on it. This is where you'll find the tools to manage how and when your form accepts responses. In the Publish settings, you'll see an option that says Set Close Date or Response Limit. Click on this. It's a straightforward step, but very important as it leads you to the scheduling options. Here, you can decide when exactly you want your form to stop accepting responses. This is particularly useful if you're working with deadlines or need to ensure that all responses are collected by a certain date and time. Now, to specify the exact time and date when your form should close, look for the Choose Date and Time option and click on it. This will bring up a calendar and a clock interface where you can select your desired closing date and time. Be sure to double check the time zone settings to avoid any confusion about when the form will actually close, especially if you or your respondents are in different time zones. Once you've set the date and time, review all your settings to make sure everything looks good. This is your chance to make any last-minute adjustments before the form starts or stops accepting responses based on your schedule. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your Google form closes precisely when you want it to, without any manual oversight needed at the actual closing time. This feature not only saves you time, but also helps in managing responses effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your forms more efficiently. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.